Isabel, are you eating? Isabel, what else are you getting? Oh, you need another fork? One for each plate?
2.
I think you have 3. No, no, no. No more. That's enough. What are you eating, Isabel?
Rice.
Are you eating rice? Which plate has the rice on it? The purple one, or the orange one, or the pink one?
Pot.
The purple and the pink? They both have rice?
Pink.
What does the pink one have?
Rice.
It has rice also? Oh, okay. What about the orange plate? What's on the orange one?
Rice.
Rice also? You have lots of plates of rice? Yummy.
Mommy.
Whoa.
Mommy.
Oh, some for me too? Thank you. Delicious. Okay, are we all done?
Yeah.
Okay. Good dinner. All right. All done. Do you want to say bye, Gab?
Bye, guys.